Did you know that public service organizations using advanced critical thinking frameworks are 72% more likely to successfully implement policies and serve communities effectively? Yet most public sector leaders report struggling with complex decision-making processes. Government organizations often face challenges with policy implementation and resource allocation that impact thousands of lives. Without structured critical thinking approaches, departments experience failed initiatives, inefficient operations, and diminished public trust. This results in wasted taxpayer money, delayed services, and reduced community satisfaction. Public service leaders frequently feel overwhelmed by the complexity of decisions they face. Teams struggle with analyzing multifaceted problems effectively, leading to reactive rather than proactive solutions. This creates stress, reduces confidence in decision-making, and impacts service delivery quality. This specialized course transforms public sector leaders into skilled critical thinkers and decision-makers. It provides practical frameworks for analyzing complex public sector challenges, evaluating policy implications, and making decisions that serve the greater good. Participants master systematic problem-solving approaches and evidence-based decision-making tools. You'll learn to navigate political sensitivities while maintaining analytical rigor in your decision-making process. Organizations experience improved policy outcomes and more efficient resource utilization. Public trust increases as decisions become more transparent, well-reasoned, and aligned with community needs. At the personal level, leaders gain confidence in handling complex public sector challenges. Teams develop stronger analytical capabilities and make more impactful contributions to public service. Ready to enhance your critical thinking and decision-making capabilities? Enroll today and transform how you serve your community through better decision-making.